Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello, dear learners of class 6. Good morning. How are you all? Hope all of you are fine, safe, and sound, along with your family members, by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine by His mercy in this pandemic situation. Dear learners, you know the COVID situation has become worse again. So stay at home and follow the rules of health strictly. I'm Shahnaz Akhtar, your English teacher, welcoming you again to the online class brought to you by the authority of Dr. Kastagir Government Girls High School, Chattogram. According to the class schedule, this is an English first paper class for you. So dear learners, take your English for today book, exercise book, pen and other necessary things to attend the class. Let's begin our today's class. Dear learners, look at these pictures. Can you recognize the place of these pictures? I think most of you haven't known about the place before you read your textbook. Yes, girl. This is Sushang Durgapur of Birishiri. It is an unseen beauty of Bangladesh because people know little about this place and hence it is less visited by the people. The scenic beauty of this place is unique. It is said that if you arrange a beauty contest among the destinations of Bangladesh, Sushang Durgapur of Birishiri will surely get the prize of the most photogenic natural look of all. Girls, look at these pictures. Wow, these are really beautiful. So dear learners, today we are going to read about the topic An Unseen Beauty of Bangladesh, lesson 14. Girls, after completing the lesson, it is expected that you will be able to ask and answer questions, read and understand text, and write short paragraph. As usual, before going to read the text, first we will know the meaning of some words for our better understanding of the text. Okay. Okay, the first word is eye-catching. There is a mistake, spelling mistake. The first word is eye-catching, C-A-T-I-C-H-I-N-G, eye-catching. And the meaning is impressive or noticeable. Then the word is remote and the meaning is distant. Next word, countryside, meaning the land and scenery of a rural area. Next, crystal, highly transparent glass. Next, unfold, open out. Then the word is ceramic. Ceramic is made of clay and permanently hardened by heat. Then pictorial. Pictorial means expressed in a picture. Alluring, fascinating. And our today's last word is ethnic and meaning is racial. Now girls, read the text on Birishiri, a quiet and less known tourist spot located in the northeastern border of Bangladesh. Okay. Bangladesh is a small country, but it is gifted with unlimited natural attractions. Only some of these eye-catching destinations are known to us. But there are many other areas lying in the green, remote countryside that are less known to us. Sushang Durgapur of Birishiri is one of such places. Sushang Durgapur has an amazing landscape. It is located on the bank of crystal clear Someshwar River and is close to the Garo Hills. You can see the hills of Indian state of Meghalaya from here. The nature has unfolded its glory in this small rural landscape. Here you can see the ceramic mountain leaning against the sky, the blue water of the pictorial mountain valley, the modest movement of the river Shumeshwari, and the abundant coal mines. There is another river here called Kangsha, which is also known as Old Shumeshwari. Shushan Durgapur is located under Netrokona district, about 170 kilometers north from Dhaka. It's not only blessed with alluring natural beauty, but also rich in vibrant ethnic culture. There are many ethnic groups like Hajong, Garo, Achik, and Mandi living here. The Birishiri Tribal Cultural Academy is located at Durgapur. It is a center for various cultural and educational activities of different tribes. The main attraction of Birishiri is the ceramic hill of Durgapur and the charming landscape along the Shumeshwari River. The river changes its color as the seasons change. Among other attractions, at the palace of the Shushan King, the Dashabhusha Temple, Orange Gardens, Shal Forest, and the Ramakrishna and Loknath Baba temples. The best way to get to Birishiri is by road from Dhaka. You can find direct bus to Birishiri from Mohakali bus stand, Dhaka. It usually takes 5 to 6 hours to get there. When you are there, you can go around the town by rickshaw. The rickshaw pullers know all the places very well. Now there are some activities for us based on the text. Activity B is a dialogue, incomplete dialogue, and it's a dialogue between A and B. Now we together complete the dialogue. A. Are there any rivers in Birishiri? B. Yes, there are. There are 2 rivers, the Shumeshwari and Kangsha. A. Is there any hills in Birishiri? Yes, there is. It's called the ceramic hill of Durgapur. A. Can I see any other hills from there? Yes, you can. You can see the hills of Meghalaya state from there. Will I see people of various ethnic groups there? Yes, you will. You will see people of Hajong, Garo, Achik, and Mandi tribes. Are there any temples there? Yes, there are. You can see the Dashabhusha temple and the Ramakrishna and Loknath Baba temples there. Okay, girls, the dialogue is completed. Now there are some questions and we will find the answers to these questions. First question, in which district is Shushan Durgapur located? Answer, Shushan Durgapur is in Netrokona district. Number 2, how far is Shushan Durgapur from Dhaka? Shushan Durgapur is about 170 kilometers north from Dhaka. Number 3, where is the Birishiri Tribal Cultural Academy? Answer, the Birishiri Tribal Cultural Academy is located at Durgapur. Number 4, how can you get to Shushan Durgapur from Dhaka? I can get to Shushan Durgapur by road directly from Mohakali bus stand, Dhaka. Number 5, why Shushan Durgapur called an unseen beauty of Bangladesh? Answer, Shushan Durgapur is called an unseen beauty of Bangladesh because it is located in remote countryside and it's less known by the people. Now come to the activity C. It's match the phrases with the meanings. The phrases are eye-catching destination, green remote countryside, crystal clear, pictorial mountain valley, modest movement, vibrant tribal culture, alluring natural loveliness, modes of transportation. Okay, now we will match the phrase with their meaning. Eye-catching destination is places that draws one's attention. Okay, next. Green remote countryside is a rural and distant place full of plants and trees. Crystal clear is see-through. Pictorial mountain valley, a plain land between two hills that looks like a picture. Modest movement, gentle flow. Vibrant tribal culture, lively activities of people from certain tribal groups. Alluring natural loveliness, the loveliness of nature that appeals to a viewer. Modes of transportation is means of traveling from one place to another. Okay. Activity D is write a passage on a place of tourist attraction that you know. Girls, you know there are many places of tourist attractions in our country, such as Cox's Bazar, San Martin, Rangamati, Jaflong, Tea Gardens of Sylhet, Sundarbans, etc. Okay, you can pick any one from these places and write about the tourist attraction of that place. Similarly, like you have read in this topic about Shushang Durgapur. Okay, girls, you will write this, and that's all for today's class. Thank you to attend my class. Okay, girls, thank you.